wizard.
Alright, good evening everyone. I hope you all had a great day. Hope you all had a fantastic weekend. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. So Bitcoin has gotten a major move to the downside. But if you've been following the channel for a while, you know since I think since we rejected here, somewhere mid-February, I said we're probably going to see 76K. We're probably going to see this quarter 2 VWAP before we see 100K again. It did take a little while to play out, but we definitely did not see 100K again. And now we have seen 76K. So I appreciate everyone who has been liked and subscribed to the channel. Like my videos, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all of you. It's great to see the levels we call come to fruition. Okay, now let's see. I did just close my short. I did take a little short. I have been trading all weekend, a little 18% right there. I did post all my trades from this weekend since Friday inside the VIP Discord. If you want access, that will give you access to the leapfrog indicator, and plus just infinite amount of knowledge inside this Discord. The link is in the description below. I would love to see you guys in there, man. You can use the link below to sign up. Been trading, been taking some good trades. Like I said, I posted every trade I took right here. I'm gonna start doing that every Sunday, you know, because we can call the levels all we want, but unless we're putting our money where our mouth is, it doesn't really matter. So I did just close this. We came down to that 76K, exactly where I wanted to see. I was taking profits the whole way down. Okay, made a little 18%. And now we're at the quarter 2 VWAP. We are getting some decent bull divs here on the 1 hour. I went ahead and closed out that trade simply because we came down to this key level of support, and that VWAP is starting to curve to the upside. I took that trade, I'm pretty sure off a 15-minute right here. That VWAP started to cross down heavily because I was in at 70, yeah, somewhere right here. We was under the previous daily VWAP. The VWAP got the red dot. And that's why, I mean, it was kind of risky, I'm not going to lie. But we nailed it. And now I am looking to try to long. If we can get a good green dot here soon, I'd like to long either off this previous 2 quarter VWAP, maybe even the 73 right here at where the spider line is. Now, another reason I closed the short at these levels, the daily was also started to curve up. We got the daily reset and she started to curve up, okay, and we have potential. We have come lower, okay, we do have potential for bull divs. I am still waiting. I'm still waiting, perhaps because now everything is a bull div. As long as momentum stays higher than what we have here, okay, we got our anchor wave right here. As long as this anchor or this momentum wave, the trigger wave, stays above this anchor wave, that's technically bullish divs, okay, because price has gotten lower as our momentum has gotten higher. Now, previous all-time highs are definitely in play. 70, 69K. If we're not holding the previous quarter 2 VWAP, then we could definitely see the year-to-date VWAP get hit. Okay, but I am starting to think we're gonna bottom out somewhere around this level, even if it is at the previous year-to-date VWAP, the previous all-time highs. But we are. I want to see if the VWAP's going to get rejected off this zero line, because the two-day did just print a red dot with money flow coming out. That VWAP and money flow is working together. Now it could just be playing out what we see here. Okay, we still have another day. Tomorrow, if we do get a curve to the upside, I'm still going to be nervous with that money flow coming out. But I would be looking to long if we can get a good little bull div right here. Let's actually go down to the 30-minute. Yeah, we are getting some general direction up, and I thought right here the blood diamond on the 30-minute is also what got me into the short I took, because I thought money flow was going to come up. I was nervous because the VWAP wasn't working the same with the money flow, and that's also why I took the short, because when they're not working together, it's usually like you see the money flow coming up, but if this VWAP's coming down, then it's probably not going to be a move to the upside until they start working together. The RSIs are tight and getting green. Looks like we could see a curve on them here soon. I don't want to make the video too long. I've actually already made it longer than what I wanted to, but it's been such a crazy day. It's to be expected. We're trying to hold the daily VWAP. We've completely lost the previous daily VWAP. We didn't even really have a chance on the reset, the weekly reset. We just lost the weekly right away. Didn't even have a shot to push up to the previous week. Momentum is still coming higher. I mean, we could be seeing a bounce from here. I'm still not taking a long. I'm gonna wait for some higher time frames, and if we do get the bull divs here on the daily, depending on what the 2-day looks like, if the 2-day VWAP is coming back up, I'm thinking about taking a potential swing long. Now how high, I'm not sure. We'll just have to evaluate the charts as we go. But right now, if we're not going to hold the quarter 2 VWAP, I would definitely be looking at previous all-time highs, 69, 70K. If we're bouncing, I'd look for a bounce back to the previous weekly. Okay, I mean, obviously we got to get back up to our daily and previous day and all that, but if we are bouncing, then we should be flipping those levels to support, and I'd be looking at the previous weekly VWAP around 87K, 88K. But that'll do it for me. I'll be back in the morning. Like I said, I'm still waiting to long. I still don't know if we're going to hold the VWAP right here. We do have potential long signals starting to pop off, but I'm going to wait. I want bull divs on the 15-minute money flow with, on momentum with money flow coming in on the 15-minute, and then I need a 1-hour bullish signal, perhaps another bear div coming. But the money flow is going to be important on the lower time frames to make sure we can see a move to the upside from perhaps either this quarter 2 VWAP, this spider line, or previous all-time highs. Okay, but that'll do it for me. If we're bouncing, we know where the rejection zones are right here, 86.5. We'll call it 89K, and then I don't see any way. I don't see us coming up to that 93K VWAP, 93K price level anytime soon. Could be wrong, but that's the levels I'm watching. I hope you guys have a great night. God bless all of you. I am out.